Good morning. Monica's still in there. She's just finishing up doing a morning meditation, but yeah, we just woke up. It's about 6 a.m. Been in Bali now for a month, specifically staying in Ubud. We want to share a lot of that with you guys, and we also just want to share what we do on a day-to-day that hasn't really changed, even from back home with our routine of fitness and eating and whatnot, but at the same time share what has drastically changed since we've been here. Day starts with coffee.
We are gonna head to the gym. This is usually what we do. Have a coffee here, or 2, sometimes 3.
Multiple cups of coffee to start the day always.
And then go to the gym usually between like 8 or 9 o'clock or so. We are gonna head out and get some groceries. We want to get some, we're on the hunt for peanut butter. I'm finding all the peanut butter here as lots of like additives I don't really want, so we're gonna check out a health food store called Bali Buddha for the first time and see what we can find there. And then other than that, just get our usual meat, vegetables, whatever else we find. Alright, so this is where we do a lot more of our shopping, this and the morning market.
Let's show you guys inside the grocery store and show you what we buy for our regular meals.
Got lots of vegetables: cabbage, kale, peppers, carrots, onion, mushroom, broccoli, some bananas. I did find some avocados from Bali Buddha. These have been so hard to find because they're not in season, but I found some ripe ones, so excited to have those. I found some grass-fed butter at Bali Buddha, which I'm excited about. We also are going to try their homemade granola mix, which looks amazing. And then what I really wanted was this peanut butter. So all the peanut butters have had lots of like hydrogenated vegetable oils and fillers and stuff, but here you can see peanuts and Bali sea salt. So this is what I've wanted. I'm so happy we found it for a pretty good price as well. We got some yogurt for our granola, almond milk, some milk for Justin, some sauce, teriyaki sauce for cooking. We've got our meat here. We got pork, chicken breast, and ground beef. And then we splurged today as well and got some salmon. So salmon is hard to find and expensive here, but I'm finding in our diet the one thing we're missing a little bit of right now is those like good healthy omega-3 fats. and when we were back in Canada, eating salmon regularly was something we tried to do. Normally we shop like every other day and grab things in between if we need to. But this was one of the bigger, more expensive grocery trips for sure. But I think this will last us a few days, like at least 2-3 days and everything. So normally we like to get our fruits and vegetables like a few times a week. We'll go to the market in the morning between like 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. And we've been a little slow in the morning, so when we don't get to go to the market, we'll just kind of buy what we need for the next day or so at the grocery store. Okay, so we got chicken, vegetables, egg, some avocado that I drizzled with lime and sea salt for me. Justin's got the same thing. He's also added this protein oats, so chocolate protein, oatmeal, banana, chia, cinnamon, and peanut butter. And that is breakfast today. Where are we going?
Me and Monica are headed to see a waterfall.
Oh, our first waterfall.
Yeah, our first waterfall in Bali. It's gonna be nice.
I can't remember the name.
We'll let you guys know the exact name. Not sure yet.
It was.
We can look at. You want to Google it right now? Google it right. Along. No.
What is it called again? Nungnung? We made it here.
We made it to the waterfall.
Here it is.
Waterfall. Nungnung Waterfall.
Nungnung.
Yeah, we were taking some photos. We got there's basically no one here, which is great.
We've had, the
one
place
of, like,
more or less to ourselves.
4 or 5 people.
Alright, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
We are heading to try out our second run here since we arrived in Bali. Almost done!
5K done.
Jungle run.
It's the results. Jungle run. Yeah, so we ran the ridge walk today. Wasn't so bad. 5K, like 29 minutes. I'm looking forward to going down to this little stream here of fresh water and cooling off.
Oh my god, best idea ever. Oh, we will definitely be doing this again.
I banged my head into a rock, trying to dunk my head into the water. But it's
what
all
not
good.
to do. What not to do.
It's all good.
Where are we going, Justin?
Well, we're going to I gotta top up my data, but then
Not
we're gonna
That's like the most
gotta go top up my data,
unimportant.
so that's a really important thing right now. And then we're gonna go to the night market. We have no idea what this is gonna look like or be like, but we've heard that there's a night market in Ubud, and we're gonna go there.
Grab some food, probably.
Yeah, I assume
Yeah.
like it'll be a bunch of different food stalls, and hopefully we can try a couple different things.
We're going with Kusuma, so he's gonna kind of show us the ropes, and we'll see. Not sure what to expect, but excited. Rocking the headband. He's been growing his hair out, and every other day debates shaving it off, and then every day he's not debating shaving it off. He's seeing if he can put it in a bun yet.
So hard, man. It's one of the more difficult things I'm dealing with right now. Try everything, whatever you want. What's this one?
Sticky rice.
I don't know where to start. Let's start.
Sticky rice.
We start with dessert. Ooh, that looks good.
Want a piece of that?
My lips, everything's on fire. Sweating.
I feel it right now. Let me see the beads of sweat on your forehead. How are you? How are you liking the night market so far, Monica?
It's great.
Yeah.
It's great. Good
Tell
food.
the people, what are you experiencing?
Spicy food. No, really good. Chicken satays. All the satay is my favorite.
Here at the night market, me and Monica
Never sweat so much from just eating.
trying to survive death by fire. We are having some spicy food, but
It's
nothing.
worth it. It's really good.
Yeah, I know. It's nothing crazy. I think we're staying away from the really, really spicy stuff, but I think our tolerance level is quite low.
Especially mine. I've never liked tuna so much. Yeah.
It's our last day in Ubud. We're just packing up our stuff now. We're almost all packed up.
We are heading to Canggu, so we're a quick drive away, not too far. We have a place there for a week, so we'll show you guys once we get there.
Yeah.
But we are packing up. We've really settled in here over the last month.
Ready to go. I think I'm ready. It's been amazing staying where we are now, and it's been crazy that it's been like a month or a little bit over a month
more,
now.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what Canggu's like. We'll show you guys the villa when we get there.
Alright, this is our place for the next week. We're in Canggu now. We just came from Ubud. So it is smaller. We lost our view, but it's got all of the essentials. We've got our kitchen. We've missed having an oven. We've been cooking everything on the stove, so this will be a nice change. Otherwise, this is fully stocked. Fridge, water. We have a cute kind of little sitting area here. Dining table. And then these close, so at night when it gets buggy, you can kind of shut this off and make it a more inside room. And then a little outside area here. Mini pool. And then everything's kind of open, so the room, bathtub, has windows and doors. which I kind of think is cool. That's a nice design. And then let's see the bedroom. So this closes in, so we get air conditioning in here, thank goodness. These doors. I like the design. Nice high ceilings. I feel like this is so much shorter than the other video. The other video we had so many places to go. And then our washroom. Ooh, it's very echoey in here. It's just like a long room with some storage here. The biggest bathtub I think I've maybe ever seen.
Sit inside.
Like, this is insane. You could fit like 4 of me, maybe three.
I love my baths, so.
And yeah, this will do. Yeah. And that is our villa. We'll be here for the next week, and then from there, we'll see. We're not sure yet.